A few moments later. 2,000 years later. One eternity later.
So guys, I did a thing. We're going to motherfucking Goa. And I feel so weird vlogging right now because there are so many people judging me, and the fact that I have no idea if you guys can really hear me through this mask or not. But oh my god, am I being judged hard? But you know what? It is okay. You know why? Because we're going to motherfucking Goa. Oh my god, I am so excited. I just had a full-fledged solo photo shoot and everybody around me was judging me so hard. But it's all gonna be worth it. I am so excited. So excited. Hey guys, Editing Chan here. So I realized that I basically shot nothing on day one. I guess I was too busy enjoying ? So anyways, here are some ASMR shots for you. Enjoy! Now back to the video. Still motherfucking vibing. I have no idea where I am. It is 12 fucking AM. Kinda scared, but I feel like I'm gonna... Yup, we're gonna figure it out. So it's day 3 of the trip. Basically today we went to a beach and there was such a beautiful lake there. It was called the Sweetwater Lake and it was so pretty. It was basically just me there. It was so private. It was so cool. There were like so many trees, palm trees, and you know, stones and pebbles, and it was so cute. And it was literally something that we see on TLC and somewhere where I've always wanted to go. So I literally straight up jumped into that lake and it was so much fun. I basically swam in that lake for 2 straight hours and then I came back. Oh, by the way, so I got these extensions and they are so pretty. So now I have 5 pink extensions in my hair and I love them so much. And of course when I go to a beach, I dive into the beach, I play with the waves, and when they come crashing onto you, it just feels so good. It's such an amazing feeling. Can you see? I am thriving here. When I say thriving, I mean fucking thriving. I do not want to come back to Delhi. I seriously don't. I just love this place so much. I love the weather. I love the people. The people are so nice. I love all the adventure that I get to do there, and it's just... it's amazing. It's honestly amazing. I love it here. Chilling in my balcony, you know, looking at the view. So there's palm trees here. दिन में दिखाऊंगी, अभी तो it's not really visible and it is a vibe. It is such a vibe. I am at an island right now to do scuba diving. I do not know why I chose to do this, but yeah, here I am. So I am with 3 other professional divers. So there's 3 professional divers, and then there is me. I feel so stupid right now. I'm so fucking scared, but here we are. So there's basically 2 crews with us, and all of the people here are freaking professional scuba divers. So they've just gone for their first dive, and when they come back up, I'm gonna go with them for their second dive. So while they are gone, I'm just gonna jump into the ocean and swim around. Wow, that sounds so fucking fun. Let's do this.
Control. So that's why we do a tiny bubble. Okay, in that way, you won't be anxious as well. When you hold on to your breath, your heart always starts to pump. You know this technique?
Yeah, so this.
Right hand, because the template is on, the toe is on right hand. Yeah, right hand to right. Lean towards right shoulder.
Let's do this.
That's the touch, that's the one. Yeah.
Let's do this.
Okay.
Fucking scared.
I take the world and paint it red. Ooh, I paint it red. I take the world and paint it red. Ooh, I paint it red. एक जुनून एक दीवानगी, हर तरफ paint it red. किसी का तो होने चल जाने दे कोई जादू.
The one time my petite size is a blessing. I don't have to work. That cylinder was on my back. It hurts so bad. It is 20 kgs. We just drove for 2 whole hours to reach this garden. It's a spice garden, and I think they basically grow their own spices. So we're yet to enter the actual garden. But this place is like so pretty. I'm basically inside wilderness. Everywhere I look, you see just greenery and nothing but greenery, and the sun is beaming. It is amazing. This feels fucking awesome, and it honestly feels worth it. It feels that it's gonna be worth the 2-hour drive. So let's see how this goes. So the guy just told me this is vanilla cashew alcohol, and that woman just told me that this is 40% alcohol, and she told me to take it in as a tequila shot. I'm very scared, but and by the way, I am day drinking. But okay, let's give it a try. I just walked to the beach for one last hurrah before I have to return to Delhi. Not even kidding, I do not want to go back to Delhi. But well, we have to. But I'm gonna be honest, I really want to come back here. And I don't even know if you can hear me with the sound of these beautiful waves. I honestly love the sound so much. I'm just gonna dip my feet in water for one last time before it's time to fucking go. Oh my god. Ajo. Nahi hai. Wait. Man, I love this feeling. I honestly love this feeling. Also, the beaches here are so beautiful. I expected very dirty and crowded beaches, but that was really not the case. I mean, there's practically nobody around me right now, except for that dog that basically followed me from the hotel to here. Such a cute dog. And yeah, so I'm gonna miss this so much. I really don't want to go back, and I'm just rambling now, so I'll just see you in the next. So your dumb tired bitch did not shoot a next clip, so I'm just gonna hop in to say this trip felt like the trip of a lifetime. Thank you so much if you've been watching my videos constantly. I'm loving your support right now. Please keep supporting me just like this. Like, share, comment, and please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you later. Bye.